Apple unveils iPhone 16e, powerful innovation at an affordable price. Apple has officially introduced the iPhone 16e, a powerful new addition to the iPhone 16 lineup that delivers next-level performance, exceptional battery life, and cutting-edge features, all at a more accessible price. Powered by the A18 chip and Apple's first-ever C1 cellular modem, the iPhone 16e is designed to maximize efficiency, enhance connectivity, and seamlessly integrate with Apple Intelligence, Apple's advanced AI-powered personal intelligence system. With a stunning 48MP fusion camera that includes a 2x optical telephoto lens, users can capture breathtaking photos and videos with remarkable detail. And when cellular and Wi-Fi coverage isn't available, Apple's satellite-powered features, including Emergency SOS, Roadside Assistance, Messages, and Find My, ensure users stay connected when it matters most. Available in sleek matte black and matte white finishes, the iPhone 16e will be available for pre-order on February 21st, with official release on February 28th. iPhone 16e brings everything people love about the iPhone 16 lineup: fast performance, incredible battery life, and next-generation intelligence, into a more affordable package, said Kyan Drance, Apple's vice president of worldwide iPhone product marketing. A durable and stunning design with all-day battery life. The iPhone 16e is crafted with durability in mind, featuring IP68 water and dust resistance, an ultra-tough ceramic shield front cover, and the strongest back glass ever used in an iPhone. 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, perfect for HDR video, gaming, and crisp text reading. Industry-leading battery life, lasts up to 6 hours longer than iPhone 11 and up to 12 hours longer than all previous iPhone SE models. Face ID unlock, powered by the True Depth camera system, enabling secure authentication, app logins, and payments. Wireless and USB-C charging, making it easier than ever to connect with a wide range of accessories. Blazing fast performance and reliable 5G connectivity. At the heart of the iPhone 16e is Apple's cutting-edge A18 chip, which powers fast, smooth performance while maximizing energy efficiency. 6-core CPU, up to 80% faster than the A13 Bionic in iPhone 11, effortlessly handling everything from everyday tasks to demanding AI applications. 4-core GPU unlocks stunning graphics performance with AAA mobile gaming support and hardware-accelerated ray tracing for realistic lighting and reflections. 16-core neural engine, optimized for large generative models, running machine learning tasks up to 6x faster than previous models. C1 modem, Apple's first in-house designed modem, delivering power-efficient and reliable 5G connectivity. Built for Apple Intelligence, smarter, more intuitive, and privacy-focused AI. The iPhone 16e is fully optimized for Apple Intelligence, Apple's revolutionary AI-powered personal assistant, enabling a more seamless and intuitive user experience. Cleanup tool easily removes distractions from photos with one tap. Natural language search in photos. Find any image simply by describing it. Image Playground and Genmoji create fun, expressive visuals tailored to your personality. Writing tools make text more dynamic with context-aware suggestions. Smarter Siri and ChatGPT integration. Get real-time assistance and expert answers without leaving the app. Apple ensures all AI-powered features prioritize user privacy with on-device processing and private cloud compute, keeping user data secure and never stored on Apple servers. The new Action button, instant access to your favorite features. The iPhone 16e features the Action button, allowing users to quickly access essential tools with a single press. Customize actions like opening the camera, flashlight, voice memos, focus mode, translate, or shortcuts. Integrates with third-party apps for seamless experiences like unlocking a car, recognizing music, or tracking sleep schedules. Visual intelligence feature summarizes and translates text, identifies plants or animals, and even helps find products online. A camera that captures every moment in stunning detail. The iPhone 16e boasts a powerful 2-in-1 camera system, perfect for capturing breathtaking photos, from low-light portraits to high-resolution landscapes. 48MP Fusion camera, super high-resolution images with advanced computational photography. Integrated 2x telephoto lens, optical quality zoom for more detailed shots. Night mode and portrait mode, capture sharp, vibrant images, even in low-light conditions. 4K Dolby Vision video, record cinematic quality footage at up to 60 frames per second. Spatial audio recording, immersive sound recording for AirPods, Apple Vision Pro, or surround sound systems. Wind noise reduction and audio mix, auto-enhanced audio for clearer voice capture. Next-generation safety and satellite connectivity. Even without cellular service, the iPhone 16e keeps users connected and safe with Apple's groundbreaking satellite features. Messages via satellite, stay in touch with friends and family, even off the grid. Emergency SOS via satellite, contact emergency services in remote locations. Roadside Assistance via satellite, get help when experiencing car trouble. Find My via satellite, share your exact location for added peace of mind. Crash detection, automatically detects severe car crashes and alerts emergency services. Designed for a greener future. Apple is committed to sustainability, with the iPhone 16e being one of its most environmentally friendly devices yet. 30% recycled materials used in its construction. 100% recycled cobalt and lithium in the battery. 100% renewable energy used in Apple facilities. Fully fiber-based packaging, eliminating plastic waste. As part of Apple 2030, Apple is transitioning its entire supply chain to carbon neutrality by the end of the decade. Pricing and availability. The iPhone 16e comes in black and white, with storage options of 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabytes, starting at $599 or $24.95 per month for 24 months. Trade-in and carrier offers. Trade in an iPhone 11 for up to $120 credit or an iPhone 12 for up to $170 credit. Carrier discounts offer up to $400 to $599 in savings with trade-ins. Pre-orders and release date. Available in 59 countries, including the US, UK, Canada, China, Japan, and Mexico. Pre-orders start on February 21st at 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Official release begins February 28th. Apple continues to innovate, offering a powerful, intelligent, and more accessible iPhone to even more people worldwide.